Alright guys, we got a big day today. We got to get these new extractors on, and then get the rest of the exhaust hooked up to them, and we'll see how we're going from there. If we're going alright, we might have a go at trying to set the twin Webbers up and get them on, but there's no rush for that. There's a few other things that I'd rather do first. So we're just going to focus on the exhaust for now, a few other little things today, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, call in the Tylers, drop some wheels off. Needs to be repaired a little bit in there. Gonna be fucking awesome. How's it going for space in there? Okay, step one, take all the old shit out, is done. They're both like very similar, both pacemaker exhausts. But yeah, the new one clears the Webbers. So we're going to the exhaust shop, get a new flange, stick it on the blue one, bolt it in. See you then. Alright, so I've just spent like 2 hours assembling that. I don't know, maybe less. It felt like 2 hours. That's ready to bolt on. All I gotta do is hook the accelerator cable up, turn one of these, well, that fuel line around to face this one, so I can put a T-piece in the middle there, and yeah, hopefully that's it. She's done. Then we've had Tyler come. He's fixed that mag I was showing you this morning. I couldn't even tell you where he fixed at the moment. You'd need him here to show you. So that's come up awesome. Like yeah, wrapped. Couldn't be happier. And then while he was here, he informed us that the exhaust shop was closed and that we won't be able to get a new flange, and that he probably has one at home. So Tyler ran out and got us a new exhaust flange, and then he had to modify it a little bit because it was I don't know, 1/4 inch too big for my hole. So he took all the slop out. He's a fucking legend, Tyler, eh? Everyone needs a friend like Tyler. And that's it. We're gonna stick that in, mock it all up, bolt it in a little bit, mark that flange, weld that flange, bolt it back in, bolt the Webbers in, join the accelerator up, and then put everything back together. And I don't know, at the rate I work, probably going to take 6 to 8 weeks. So we'll see how we go. Bodge turbo, can't beat it. Right, check it out. Still got to weld the flange down the bottom, but man, they're an awesome fit. Geez, they look awesome. Oh, thanks to Tyler for giving me new chrome too. Ooh, I don't know if you can see, but like here. Yeah. Mine's pretty bad. So that's gonna go awesome. Thanks, Tyler. Again. Alright, so I'm done for the day. I jammed all that in there. All I gotta do is finish bolting it up and fucking hope for the best, I guess. Big thanks to Mick. He did all the welding. Tyler did some of the welding. Oh yeah, thanks to Tyler as well. Tyler's a legend. So's Mick. And Angus. They all helped. I gotta go home because someone's waiting for me. And hopefully tomorrow we'll have running. And yeah, see how we go. Talk to you soon.
Don't worry, just leave it open and in here, and I'll clean up after myself if any.